Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a Sport Appearance package, FX4 off-road package, and the Advanced Trailer Tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we have that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do have the capabilities of putting C-clamps on your tailgate as well, which is pretty handy. Got mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with blind spot detection, as well as turn light indicator mirrors, spotlight, all that fun stuff. Mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we do have that block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. You've got a little storage cubby right there, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold down for cup holders and some arm space. And you do have the capability of having under storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. We have the nice Ranger logo on the floor mats. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. A lot more storage up front with powered mirrors. You have your lights right there and these nice new looking fans on the dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.3 kilometers. We do have this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, and your volume voice is right there with your cruise control. And taking a look at the vehicle up here, we have our My View, trip and fuel, truck, and, English, off-road setting, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. And looking over here, you have a nice gear shift with your speed adjusters, parking brake, cup holders. You have your drive modes with your four-wheel drive and your Pro Trailer backup assist. I don't know why that's on. We have a wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. Nice little storage cubby here with some enough space for your fries, which is all handy. We have our traction, auto stop, auto start, and trail control, which you can see on your screen. Ooh, is that better? Yeah, well, right there. And over here, you have a leather up gear shift with tons of storage with a 12 volt as well. You have your main climate controls just right there with hazards, all that fun stuff. You got a little storage cubby up here as well as below. And we do get a nice rear window opener. Okay, looking at our main screen here, you do have what station you're currently on. You have AM, FM, all that fun stuff. But we do get SiriusXM capabilities. All your channels will appear right here. You do get your phone, navigation, music, tow and haul mode, all that fun stuff. You do have your vehicle settings up at the top here, such as off-road mode, updates, all that fun stuff. You have your backup camera, and you have a hitch view, which is pretty handy for backing into a trailer. And we do get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities, and we do get a sketch mode. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE50652, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.